Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today we will discuss what is SMTP server for Gmail. So SMTP, which stands for Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, allows you to send emails from your Gmail account through third-party email clients or apps. Here are some server details of SMTP. Port, which is TLS, is 587, and another port is that is SSL is 465. Authentication is required. Username is just your full Gmail address, and about password is basically your Gmail password or app password, for example, if you have two-step verification enabled. So you must enable SMTP authentication and may also need to allow access for less secure apps or create an app password if you're using two-factor authentication, as I mentioned earlier. This setup is commonly used to send emails programmatically or from custom domains using Gmail's reliable sending infrastructure. So that's all you need to know about SMTP server for Gmail. I hope this video helped you. Please leave the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you later. Bye bye.